As one of the world's top producers of work trucks and trailers, in addition to service truck and van accessories, Stellar has plenty to offer anyone looking for a career in manufacturing and operations.
Stellar is a great place to work, and I recommend it for people looking for a new job.
It's a very welcoming environment. Stellar's really great for just making sure everyone is feeling included and that you feel safe and you feel like it's a fun environment to work in.
If you are more of a daytime worker, we have that. If you're more of a nighttime person and want to do that, we have those opportunities for you, and the growth opportunities for both shifts are the same.
You'll find a range of positions for all skill levels, all with the training and tools you need and the advancement opportunities you want.
On the first day, the only thing that's required of you is to bring steel-toed boots and a positive attitude. Everything else is going to be supplied for you.
We are provided tool boards, so there's no need to buy any tools when you start here. You're able to just walk right up, take a tool, start work.
When new employees start, they go through a 3 to 4 day long class with our trainers, and they just are making sure that we know how to use the tools correctly and how to do electrical correctly, so that way our quality is the best it can be.
You get hands-on training from the employees the moment that you come onto the floor, and you work at that same position and keep training until you yourself feel comfortable enough to do it on your own. No one out here is left hanging.
They really treat you well here. They give you everything that you need to be able to learn how to do it.
The tools that Stellar provides to our employees, not just in my position, but any place along the line, these are some of the best top-notch tools that you can put your hands on.
I think people that come and visit Stellar for walkthroughs are mainly surprised in how up-to-date our tools are, how our processes work, and the organization of the plant.
It's a very clean environment to work. Safety is always on target.
Working at Stellar, there's a huge chance to continue your growth. You can make your own path, whether you want to stay on the floor and work or you want to become a supervisor. There's always an opportunity and an open door.
I would highly recommend Stellar for employment to anybody looking for a good place to work.
I would do it again in a heartbeat. I would apply again at Stellar just because I know the environment. I know the owners care, the people care. You're just not a number in that environment.
Come for the teamwork. Stay for the amazing benefits. Get started at stellarindustries.com/careers or by texting STELLAR to 97211.